Hello guys, BBC Secure versus Cavite guys.
50 Nabalang tumira ng malayo, wala. Rebound.
Tumuntang taga Dumaguete guys kaya para maglaro ang dito sa
Yes, on the baseline. Pumutok, wala. Eagle pass. From the downtown, supply pa rin. Another one. It's Luo. To Alcijo. Alcijo zigzagging on.
walang point.
Ikaw bumagsak na tumira. Finally, number 2 points for Maxayo. 65-63.
2 minutes to
Upright to BBC. 15 to shoot. Turn on the shot clock. Inside. Nakibet. Nakawala. Nakamalik. Wala. It's on. Attack. Alcijo. Pinasa ng mano. Agay-agay. No score. 2 minutes to go. Substitution. Two minutes and 2. Last 2 minutes. It's on the ball, Manduba. Down to the field. Never let us be too low. Wala. Reverse, wala pa rin. Doble, down pass. Masini number 92. Right now. Montica pa. Pinasa ni Rosiana. Rosiana. Fake. Against Duke. Alcijo. 12 to shoot. Yakar. Down to 10. Inside. Wala. And Maikito. Both teams. 13 fouls. Both teams.
enjoy guys. Ito laro namin dito sa
Oro.
BBC Secure. Nag-relax muna ko guys kasi
Inside pass. Double.
sa pamilya guys.
Double. And same ball. The same ball. 12 to shoot. Down to 12 on the shot clock. Baseline to win. And foul. Number 92. Pushing foul. 92. See, it will go. Second personal. Warning for penalty pa. Warning for penalty. Jose. Turn to shoot. Alcijo. Fake, luwa. Turn around. Tumira. Wala. And same ball. Well